Good evening, dear students. So in the last class, we have started with the tense, right? So you know already there are three main classes of tense, right? That is past tense, present tense and future tense. And we have learned that four aspects are there in the tense. So two aspects we have learned in the last class. So now we are going to learn present continuous. So what we have going to learn? Present continuous tense. So what is present continuous tense? It is used to describe currently ongoing. So when does this present continuous tense is used? Used to describe currently ongoing. So example is, she is writing a paper for her class. You can see the described one, the sentence has described that is currently going in the class. So she is writing a paper for her class. Next is past continuous, used to describe ongoing past events. So it is used to describe ongoing past events. Example, she was writing a paper for her class when her pencil broke. So when her pencil broke, she was writing a paper for her class. So here past continuous tense is was writing. Okay. Next is future continuous. So used to describe future events that are expected to continue over a period of time. So when does this future continuous tense is used? Used to describe future events that are expected to continue over a period of time. Example, she will be writing a lot of papers for her classes next year. So they're talking about next year. It's a future continuous. She will be writing. So she will be writing a lot of paper for her classes next year. So here future continuous tenses will be writing. Got it? So next we'll move on to the next aspect, present perfect continuous. So next aspect is present perfect continuous, used to describe events that started in the past and continue to the present. So this kind of sentences, when do we use? It is used to describe the events that has started in the past and continue into the present, which is going to continue into the present. So example, she has been writing paper all night and now she needs to get some sleep. You can see, she has been writing a paper all night and now she needs to get some sleep, which is present perfect continuous. So we'll move to the past perfect continuous, used to describe events that began, continued and ended in the past. So past perfect continuous is used to describe events that began and continued in the past. Continued and ended in the past. Got it? So example, she had been writing a paper all night and she needed to get some sleep. Got it? So next is future perfect continuous, used to describe events that will continue up until a point in the future. So future perfect continuous is used to describe events that will continue up until a point in the future. So the example is, she will have been writing the paper for 3 months when she hands it in. So this is all about 10 students, and I want you to revise all the things which we have done in the bridge course, the grammar parts. Okay, I want you to revise all the grammar parts which we have done till now. So from this you'll be getting worksheet which you need to do in your homework book. Thank you, students.